Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Sam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. You know, I enjoy looking at other people's creative projects, and I like to celebrate all the different types of ones, you know, not just the one that I'm into. So, because you'd be surprised at how often you'll see someone else's finished project, and you think to yourself, oh, that's a beautiful little loop on that blanket. Or, you know, I love how she pieced those fabrics together to create that that quilt, and then it gives you an idea to piece pages together to create, I don't know, a collage or something like that. So art inspires art, you know. Now let me see what I want to back this on something, some color that I can use in the I don't want to use brown. I'm not a fan of brown, you know what I mean? I'm not a huge fan of it. Let's see, will that work? If I do that, I would like to do it. Not really. I could make it dark. No. Well, no, it's too pink. And then when you add distress ink to pink, sometimes it just makes it look dingy. So we don't want that. We don't want dingy. We're not going for dingy right now. Let's see. Here is a soft pink. Will this work? Oh, that'll work. Yeah. We'll use that. And let me make sure. Let me just oh, this is just a basket of paper, scraps, and actually my spray bottle of ink, a spray bottle of water, and it just sits across from my desk. You know what? I probably should hold off on that because I need to think of, yeah, I'm going to center it and keep this the whole size, and maybe I'll make this as a flip up. If not, I cut it down and re-ink it. Not a big deal, right? Okay, so I just learned that Walmart, thank God, has added the delivery service to our area, which is awesome because, as you guys know, I do the grocery shopping for my dad, and we just got on board with Walmart, you know, order online and pick up. But I'm more than happy to spend $12.95 a month for him to order his own groceries and have them delivered with unlimited drops, you know. So if you pay $12.95 a month, that's what they say, you can order as often as you want. And I think it might be a minimum, you know, dollar amount, you know, $30 or something. Well, I think it's $30 anyways. So you can order as often as you want, as long as you meet the minimum requirement, which he always does. And they deliver it to him. And he's only about 10 minutes away from Walmart. Now, he's 15 minutes away from me. And I'm 25 minutes away from Walmart. So it's a 25-minute ride for me to get to the Walmart, and then 10 minutes back to his house, and 10 minutes back to my house when I grab his groceries. And before I started utilizing the online in the pickup service, I was in the store, and then it got ridiculous when we were doing when the COVID-19 hit, and I would have to go inside the store with mask on and locate items that were rarely even seen. I'm gonna have to use something dark around here because I need a contrast. So I'd be in there for like 45 minutes to an hour just to get $60 worth of groceries, and it just became ridiculous. It just was. It was. I'd rather the shoppers go ahead and I just need a little bit of a contrast, just a smidge. I'd rather the shoppers go ahead and take their time. And I always tell them when I'm picking them groceries up how much I appreciate their service. And, you know, whether they're having a good day or a bad day, just know that they are greatly appreciated. I mean, I look at them as a hero like I look at veterans. Because you don't even understand, you are standing on the front line for me, you know, on my behalf, doing this grocery shopping, just to ensure that my father has what he needs. And so that I can also meet the demands of my home, my family, my church, my dad's home. You know, it's all of these things that women typically take care of. But when there's only one person, and, you know, I don't have any siblings nearby, when there's only one person that's left to do all those things, it can become quite taxing. So, you know, I appreciate the service, and I fully utilize it. And I'm grateful that it's not expensive, and it's not, you know, it's not like they have a $70 limit or anything like that. So, yeah. Thank you, Walmart. And thank you for that, that delivery service. And now I can kind of schedule and plan a vacation and not have to worry about getting back in time enough to make sure that he has his food, you know, has his groceries. So, okay, so we got that one, we got this one, and let me ink the edges on this one before I let y'all go. Before I let you go. So, anywho, oh, that was the wrong thing. I put the brown and the black. Lord have mercy. I can't be the first person that has happened to. So don't act so shocked. Okay, sis? Don't act all shocked right now. You know you done made a mess as well. How dare she? How dare she put that ink in the wrong one? Do we even want to continue to follow her? I think my ink pads are drying up. I need to get some more. But I also want to invest in some different colors too. So there's that. I'm trying to figure out which one do I want to turn into a tag. We shall find. Might end up being that one. Okay. So we have two large ones. Journal cards. Yeah. I'm going to have to back this with cardstock. This may end up being a pocket. I don't know. Because the stitching. It's not around the edge. But we'll, as we move along, we'll make those finite decisions. You know. You'll stay with me. And don't forget, if you are a subscriber, check right now while we're on and make sure that you have hit the subscribe button, because I mean the notification bell, because you don't want to miss any of the crafty uploads. You know, how can you really say that you are a member of the Lovely Lab and you ain't even got your notifications turned on? Like, where they do that? Turn that bell on. I won't charge you. It is free. It is definitely free. Some of them I put, I edge them dark, the walnut stain, and some of them I just do the soot. It just depends on whether or not I want a contrast or what have you. So, and then I think I'll probably go around here just a little bit. Give it that straight out of grandma's attic look, you know? You guys know what I mean. All right, and I didn't say this when I first came on, but I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everyone's staying sane and following the social distancing guidelines. This needs to be brown a little bit. Sis needs to be browned. I just gave her some bronzer. I'm probably going to add some color to that somewhere. I'm just using, oh, you know what I forgot to add on my list of things that I want in this book? Some book pages, but that's okay. I will add that later, some later point. Once I get all of this lined up and laid down. Okay. It's not as straight as I would hope it would be, but it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. can go and tidy up everything later on. So what I'll do is off camera, I'll go ahead and stitch around the edges of these pieces that I've already put together. And this will probably end up being an embellishment. I just need some fabric. There was one more that I needed to add in here. So we got these two, those two. Let me see how much time do we have here. We got time to do one more. We got time. Y'all with me or nah? I think I want to do the postcard one. Yeah, that's pretty. Hope I'm not out of frame. And I'll probably end up using the, good Lord, can I just straighten up the foolishness off of here? Probably end up using the, my stamp, post stamp set on here. And I need to invest in some more thread too. I'm sure the price of that has gone up, along with quite a few other things. But I want to, I need to invest in some more thread, because I have the basic colors, but I want, you know, colors like the Saldine green, and it's maybe a rose pink or something like that. I have pink, but it's more like a hot pink or a fuchsia, which I'm fine with for my my purse accessories, you know, wallets and stuff like that. I don't wear a lot of muted tones. I wear contrasting colors, teals and corals, those colors. I wear tropical colors. They look best on me. But I don't wear a lot of muted tones, because it kind of gets washed out on me, on my skin. If you can see, that little bit of black just adds some contrast. So, just a little bit. Definition is what I meant to say. It adds a little bit of definition. So once I put it down on here, you can kind of see it a little bit better. Okay, you get that? And these are, again, I think these, I think I mentioned this before, but these are index cards. Let me put that down here like this. These are index cards that were they were once flashcards when Josh was in first grade and second grade, when he was doing, you know, math and all that other stuff. And so instead of throwing them out, I just went on ahead, and I'll probably put lace at the top. Went on ahead and put them in with some coffee, baked them for a bit, took them out, ironed them, and there we have that. All right, so this is what we were left with, folks. Let's bring this out to the camera. So we've got this one, these that we've glued down. We've got her, and this is one from before. And on the next one, we'll go ahead and decorate some of these and add, you know, I may already decorate them. I ain't gonna promise you what I'm doing on the next one, but just stay tuned, folks. Just come on back. Don't worry about it. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video, so you can stay on the journey with me, celebrating us women of color, okay? And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting, all right? Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.